Hello, welcome to the Genius Gateway. Today we are going to discuss about inheritance. In the world of programming, inheritance is an important concept. Let's see the concept of inheritance with an easy example. First of all, take a sight on the definition of inheritance. Inheritance is where a class reuses the implementation of another class or specifies new implementation. It sounds little complex. What does it actually means? It is better to understand with an example. Imagine you are explaining the concept of vehicle to a baby. You could explain each separate type of vehicle. First, you could say that a car is a type of vehicle and it tries on road and it uses fuel, but then when you are explaining other types of vehicle, you'd have to repeat yourself. You'd have to say that a motorcycle is also a type of vehicle that tries on road and uses fuel. You can reduce the work that you have to do if you explain to the baby first what a vehicle is. A vehicle is something that drives on road and takes a fuel. Then you can just simply, whenever explaining a type of vehicle, you can just say that it is a type of vehicle. Therefore, you can reduce the amount of work that you have to do and the number of times you have to repeat yourself. In this way, we use inheritance in our daily life. So, what is inheritance? Grouping together common actions and attributes of objects into a separate parent group. It simplifies code, promotes reusability, and helps organize classes in a logical hierarchy. It's a powerful concept in object-oriented programming that makes your code more efficient and maintainable. So, this was all in today's video. Like, subscribe and share to watch more videos like this.